Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve another popular Leetcode coding interview question 2657. Find the prefix common array of two arrays. So this is another very recent medium complexity popular coding interview problem. So this is an array related coding interview question that we are going to go through today. We are going to understand this problem with some examples, and we are also going to implement our Java solution code to solve this coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Also click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. Here we create content and videos to help others in their interview preparation and learning different computer science concepts along with data structures, algorithms, problem solving, logic building, programming and coding. So let's start. You are given two zero-indexed integer permutations a and b of length n. A prefix common array of A and B is an array C such that Ci is equal to the count of numbers that are present at or before the index I in both A and B. Return the prefix common array of A and B. A sequence of n integers is called a permutation if it contains all integers from 1 to n exactly once. Okay. So they have given two examples. Constraint says that the 1 is less than equal to a dot length is equal to b dot length is equal to n is less than equal to 50. 1 is less than equal to ai and bi is less than equal to n. It is guaranteed that a and b are both a permutation of n integers. Okay, so let's take a look at this first example so you'll understand what they are saying. Okay, so this A array is 1324 and B array is 3124. So this is a permutation of 1 to 4 basically, right? 1 2 3 4. So this is a permutation, both arrays. Okay, so what they are saying is if you go to this index, right, until this point you have how many elements common? 1 and 3. 0 elements are common, right? So you put 0 here. If you go until this point, right, until the index 1, right, how many elements are common? 1 is common between two arrays, 3 is common between two arrays. So total 2 elements are common between two arrays, right? Okay. Now if you go to until this point, how many elements are common? All the 3 elements are common, right? 1, 2 and 3, everything is here. So 1 is here, 2 is here, right, and 3 is here. So all 3 elements are common, so you put 3 here. Okay, you are following me, right? So the next one is you take this whole array. How many elements are common between all the arrays? Both the arrays, all the 4 elements are common, right? So you put 4 here. So this is what we want to find out. Okay, this is the output array that we want to create from the input two arrays, and that is called as prefix common array of two arrays. Okay, so this is what the problem is. So they have given a second example where you can see that 231 and 312. So until first point 0 elements are common, so you put 0 here. 2 3 and 3 1, so 3 is common, so you one element is common, so you put 1 here. If you go until the end, all the 3 elements are common, 1 2 3 1 2 3 all are common here, so you put 3 here. Okay, so this is what the problem says. So you understood what the problem is with this example. So how can we solve this problem? So we can use sets. We can create two sets basically, right? And we can use a retain all method, right? So I'll explain you what the retain all method does. So what we will do is, let's say you are here, right? Until this you are at index 0. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So you are at index 0, so you put 1 into this set and you put 3 into this set. So if you take this first set and you want to call retain all method, then you will have only one element common, 0 element common actually, right? 0 element common, correct? If you go to the second point, right, so until this point 3 1 and 1 3, so if you do the retain all, you can find out how many elements are common between these two sets. 2 elements are common, right? So here is a quick example of what retain all method does. Let's say you have one set, it has 1 2 3 4 5. This is your set 1 and your second set is 1 2 3, right? So if you call set 1 dot retain all on set 2, then it will only, from the set 1 it will only retain these three values which are available in this set, correct? So set 2 has 1 2 3, so it will only keep 1 2 3 into set 1, right? So this is what you will get. So that's what retain all method does. So it only retains the common elements. Okay, so this is the documentation in the hash set. So this is the Oracle documentation of hash set class. So you can see this is the retain all method. So retains only the elements in this collection that are contained in the specified collection. In other words, removes from this collection all the elements that are not contained in the specified collection, right? So it means that it will only keep the common elements. So for example, let's say another example, you have 8, 10 and 20 here. This is your one set, right? And you have another set as 8, right? Now if you call retain all on this set, right, retain all, it will and you are passing this other set, so it will only keep 8 here, right? It will only keep 8. It will remove 10 and 20. Okay, so retain all will only keep the common elements. That's what the retain all method does. In other words, removes from this collection all of its elements that are not contained in the specified collection, right? So this is what we will be using basically to solve this coding problem. So it means that if you have the set, let's say you have the set 1 3, you have the set 1 3, until this point you have this set 1 3, right? 1 3, and your next set, this next set is 3 1, right? 3 1, 3 comma 1. So if you call retain all, then you will have 1 and 3 here, right? Because this 3 is common, right? And 1 is also common, correct? So the size will tell you how many common elements are there. So size of this set after you call retain all will tell you how many common elements are there, correct? So two common elements are there, right? So that's how retain all can help us. If you are here until this point, let's say, right, your set is 132, so this is your set 1, right? 132 is your set 1, and until this point your set 2 is 312, right? 312 is your set 2, right? Now if you call retain all on this first set, it will keep all these values 132, right? Because 1 is here, 3 is here, 2 is here. So if you call size on this set, it will tell you how many elements are common between two sets. So the size is 3, right? There are total 3 elements. So that's what you will put here. So this is the basic logic to solve this problem. So the documentation I was showing you is, this documentation is a hash set class, right? So you can take a look here. This is a java.util. This is an abstract controller, but this is coming from the hash set, because hash set is implementing the abstract collection, right? Abstract set and then hash set. So this is the hierarchy of the class. So you can check out these methods in the hash set. So now you understood the approach and the logic how we can use these two sets to solve this problem. So let's go ahead and implement the same logic now. So find the prefix common array is the method we are implementing. Two integer arrays are given to us. One is A, one is B. This method returns an integer array. Now we'll create one result array. This will have the same length as the original array, right? A, because the result array will have the same length, right? Because you want to keep calculating for each index, right? After that we will create two hash sets. Let's call one set A, one set B, right? So set A is for A array, set B is for B array. Now we'll start iterating in this for loop for each index, right, in the array. Now here we will first add AI element into the set A, we add BI element into the set B, and here we are creating another set from set A. Okay, we are not changing original set A. This is an important point to note. Okay, we are creating another set here from set A. Let's call it set, and then we will apply retain all method on set and we'll pass set B. We don't want to actually change the set A and set B, right? That's what we are doing. We don't want to change the original set A and set B values. That's why we are creating another set here, right? Okay, and then you will call retain all, you pass set B element. So you will know now in the set dot size will give you how many elements are common until that point, correct? As I explained you just have to put that size here in the result I. At the end you will just return the result array, and that's it basically, right? So this should solve the problem. So let's run this code. Make sure this gives us correct answer against these test cases. For the first test case we are expecting 0 2 3 4, and we are getting 0 2 3 4, which is a correct answer. Let's go to the second test case. Second test case is 0 1 3, right? So this is the second test case is 0 1 3, which is a correct answer. Submit this code now to the Leetcode. Make sure the code gets accepted. And as you can see, the code is successfully accepted by the Leetcode. It shows 10% faster on the performance and 72.35 on the memory usage. These numbers are constantly changing, so I'm not very sure about these numbers, but this is the set based approach where we have used the retain all method to solve this problem, right? Another very popular Leetcode coding interview question, 2657, find the prefix common array of two arrays. A very recent coding problem. So I wanted to show you this set based solution today. So I hope you like this Java solution and you understood it as well. So I'm going to add this Java code for you in my GitHub repository and give you the link of my GitHub repository so you can check it out. There are lots of other important programming and algorithmic solutions already implemented are available there for you in the GitHub repository. They are important ones. They are you can learn more about how to do the implementations of different coding problems there. You will see all important problems there like PL SQL, Oracle, MySQL, Java J2 and Unix problems are solved there. The solutions are available there. If you like the programming solutions in the GitHub repository, then consider giving it a star on the GitHub repository. That would be great. If you are new to this channel, there is a very important coding interview related playlist we have created to help your interview rounds. It is called as Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. More than 200 most frequently asked very important coding interview problems are compiled for you under one playlist. Those problems are asked by many big companies including Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, Uber, Lyft, LinkedIn, Netflix and many others many times in their past interviews. They are very important coding interview problems. Make sure you go through all of them, understand them thoroughly. If you go through all those videos and problems, you are going to learn a lot about data structures, algorithms, problem solving, logic building, programming and coding. It will also help you learn lots of new techniques, new ways of problem solving. So do check out the Solve Coding Problems. The name of the playlist is Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. Now if you are a fresher, junior level developer and you want to practice more coding problems for your interviews, to help you with your practicing, we have created 3 other playlists for you here on this channel. The names of those playlists are Code Forces, Code Chef, AtCoder. If you go to the playlist of this channel, you will find those playlists listed out there. Lots of interesting, important and exciting problems are waiting for you there. If you like this set based Java solution where we have used the retain all method to solve this coding problem on Leetcode 2657, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Subscriptions are very important because that's how the videos can reach to other people, so others will also be able to watch and learn from this channel. So do subscribe to this channel, share this content with all your friends and colleagues so they will also learn programming and problem solving. Click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. Here we create videos and content to help others in their interview preparation and learning different computer science concepts. If you want to learn more problem solving, programming, coding and data structures, then there are lots of solved coding problems videos available for you on this channel. The important coding questions varieties available here includes dynamic programming, graphs, matrices, binary search trees, breadth first search, depth first search, cadence algorithm, binary search algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, Dijkstra algorithm, sliding window algorithm. There are lots of other important data structures related coding interview questions are also available for you here on this channel, including stacks, queues, priority queues, hash table, hash map, tree set, hash set, linked hash map, linked hash set, arrays, linked list. All are important problems. Those are selective coding questions. Those are asked by big tech companies many times in their interview rounds. So make sure you go through them, understand them completely. They will definitely give you good preparation for your interview rounds, will help you learn more concepts of computer science and programming. If you're planning to take any Java J2 interviews, there are lots of Java related videos we have created on this channel to help others. For example, frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions and how to answer them. Java design patterns, Java architecture, SQL programming questions to the freshers, where they will give you database tables. They will ask you to write SQL queries where you may have to use different database related concepts like inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, aggregate operations, group by and having clauses, different where clause conditions, important windowing and ranking functions along with partitioning. Everything is demoed and explained on this channel with example SQL tables and SQL queries for you on this channel. So make sure you go through all those videos. They will give you definitely good preparation and will help you learn a lot of new things here on this channel. There are videos that discusses Unix questions are also available for you here. For example, Unix commands, Unix utilities, shell scripting questions all are here on this channel for you to help you in your interview preparation and learning different computer science concepts. If these videos are useful and helpful for you, you are learning more programming, coding, problem solving by watching these videos, then don't forget to leave your messages, feedback and comments below these videos. Your feedback is very important for us. It increases our motivation to create more quality content videos on this channel to help others, so others can also learn programming, others can also learn problem solving. If you want us to create videos about any specific computer science, Java J2 or interview related topics, then mention those topics as well in the below comment section box so that we can create those videos for you here. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and most importantly, keep your learning process and practicing going on continuously. And thanks for watching these videos.